And with the hood off, so it's serious, right? You know we're about to get gapped when he's got the GoPro on, right? It's going on YouTube. I'm back with another video. We are in Ennis, Texas, Dallas, Texas, at the Texas Motorplex, man. And I got a familiar face, man, with a whole new setup, you guys, all right? I have the red Camaro that I raced in one of my previous videos. Go check it out. We did a dig race. We were about to roll race. And then we're gonna get another dig race, man. He's got a whole new setup. I'm about to show you his setup. Make sure you check out his channel here in a second, and let's go. So you can see, he's got a whole new intake system, man, with the hood off. So it's serious, right? You know we're about to get gapped when he's got the GoPro on, right? So we're gonna see what happens. It's my guy right here. We're gonna get the race done because they're waiting on people. I got you, but let's get it going, my brother. All right, you guys, he went ahead and took that one, man. So now we 1-1. One dig race win, one roll race, right? We'll get another one in. But he took one out of my book, man. Again, we raced back in April. And you can see super clean color, super clean car. But I think my favorite part about the Camaros is the intake options that they do have, man. His hood's getting cut. But I'll let you tell him, man. Intake. And it's running, you guys, man. Make sure you shout out the channel, let them know where to find you, all that good stuff, man.
Yes, sir, man. If y'all want that good Camaro content, that's what I bring to the channel.
Yes, sir.
A day with MC.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man. Subscribe to me. Go ahead and subscribe to my boy too.
Yes, sir. So we'll get another dig race in. Hopefully, if it don't rain, but it's looking all right, you guys. But you can see, runs the tank, same setup as me, and obviously, you guys know the car is set up for a dig. Yeah, man, we 1-1 now. Let's see what happens.